It's a dream come true. Let's keep the dream up.
Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to try out these lashes. Someone in my comment, I'm actually going to annotate their name right here. Someone in my comment said that they tried the Dollar Tree eyelashes, and I always tried to stay away from them because I always felt like they look kind of like funny, especially the sassy and chic ones. They like really thin and they don't look good to me, alright? No. So these, I wanted to try these because they were thick, and even though in the packaging I was just like, I don't know, because they kind of do look a little plasticky. I wanted to see how they would look if you put them on. So I put them on, and I really think they look really bold, and I think they look really, really nice. They do not feel really heavy. It does have a thick band. So far, so good. Like, I don't really have a problem with it. Some people were saying that they feel heavy. They don't feel heavy to me at all. Like, they don't, even though they're thick. These are thick eyelashes, but they don't feel, I don't feel like I'm walking around like, looking crazy. Like, I don't feel like that at all. Like, I feel like they look so cute. Now, my only thing is, they are synthetic. They are not human hair, but it's lightweight and easy application. Like, they don't feel heavy. You would think that they would, and this is exactly why I kind of stayed away from them, because I was like, they look too dramatic. Like, my eyes are big, all right? Like, boom. Okay, they are. Yeah, so I was like, let me stay away from these. These type of lashes that they look nice on. Like, you look at the package and you be like, nah, you know, they not human hair. They probably heavy. Eyes will probably be weighted down, walking around like this or whatever. But no, I don't feel like that at all. I don't feel like that one bit. Yes, honey, look at these lashes though. So, this is just a first impression. I don't know, like... Now, the whole thing is they are synthetic, so I don't know how they will hold up. I like that the band is kind of thick because that tells me when I take them off, I'll probably be able to reuse them and reuse them. The band won't give way, like it won't give in too easily. So I may be able, I don't know how many times I'll be able to use it because like I said, this is a first impression. So like, I just don't know, but I'm blown away because I think that they look so nice. You can play with them a little bit, like, you know what I mean? Curl them. If you have an eyelash curler, you should curl them up and everything like that. They're cruelty free. So you see how much, do you see how far they come out? That's cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Yeah, that's me trying to get a thumbnail, y'all. Don't pay that no mind. I think they look really nice. And it's kind of giving me like that Mink type of look. This is a first impression, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. These are the lashes right here. It's in the style bold.